Welcome to our channel. Today's video is dedicated to raising awareness about tuberculosis. In short, this is known as TB. In 2023, over 10 million people fell ill with TB, and out of that 1.5 million died. So that means it is a formidable global threat, and humanity has been suffering from this problem or from this disease for centuries. Researchers or scientists have found the evidences of this disease even in Egyptian mummies, which dates back to 2400 BCE. So, what is the cause behind TB or tuberculosis? This is caused by the bacterium Mycobacterium tuberculosis. So, this is an infectious disease. Means this is actually contagious disease. Okay, and this disease spreads through the air when an infected person coughs or sneezes or speaks. Okay, so yes, antibiotics are there, BCG vaccines are there. Still there is a problem because drug-resistant TB strains are causing problem. Diagnosis tests are there, treatments are there, still there is a problem. And World Health Organization, means WHO, in short this is known as WHO, WHO. They have a strategy known as TB end strategy. And according to that, they are aiming to reduce this problem, means this disease, by 90% by 2035. Means from now 11 years is left. Okay. So name of their program is TB end strategy. So you can easily understand that this is a global health problem. This is actually global threat. This is no doubt a deadly disease. If diagnosis and treatment is done within time, then it is okay. Then it is curable. But if left untreated, then it might be proved to be fatal. Okay. And in 19th century, it was called as a white plague due to its devastating toll. Though in 20th century, antibiotics were discovered, still there is a problem because it spreads fast in poor countries due to malnutrition, due to overcrowded area. So many problems are there. So what is the requirement? The requirement is the general public awareness. If you can acquire knowledge about this disease, how to prevent this disease, how to treat this disease, what are the symptoms of this disease? Symptoms are this disease easily primarily affects our lungs, but it can spread to kidneys, brain, then spine. Okay, and if you talk about the symptoms, so symptoms are coughing with blood, means blood comes out when you cough. Okay, fever, then weight loss, then loss of appetite, then night sweats. Okay, means if your coughing persists more than 3 weeks, then in that case you should immediately take the help of healthcare professionals. Okay, if your coughing persists more than 3 weeks, in that case, so you have to be serious about your health. You have to know the symptoms. What are the symptoms? Anyway, and diagnosis test, yes, diagnosis tests are available. Skin test is there, blood test is there, then chest X-ray is available. Okay, then sputum test is there to confirm the test. By sputum test, we can confirm the test. Means doctors or the pathologists confirm the test for TB, whether you are suffering from TB or not, whether you are infected with TB. Anyway, So diagnostic tests are there, but the problem with drug-resistant TB strains, this is the problem. So researchers worldwide are trying to develop new vaccines. You know, BCG vaccines are available. But still there is a requirement because drug-resistant TB strains are there, such as multi-drug TB resistant, then XDR TB, MDR TB and XDR TB. XDR TB means extensively drug-resistant TB strains. Okay, so these are causing problems, and tests are costly. So researchers are trying to develop new antibiotics. They are trying to develop new methods of diagnosis so that the tests become cheaper. Okay. And they are also trying to develop new therapies, antibiotics. Research in the field of antibiotics, this is ongoing. But still, new therapies are being developed or being explored by the researchers worldwide. Okay. So what is the requirement? The requirement is the general public awareness. It's a really global health threat. Okay, so everyone should be well aware of this disease. Then only there is a chance, there is a possibility that we can fight against this deadly disease, TB, easily. Okay, and just keep in your mind that just last year, 2023, I mentioned in the very beginning of this video, 10 million people fell ill with TB. And out of that, 1.5 million died. Now you calculate the percentage. Okay. And there is one more problem. According to WHO, 1/3 of the population, means I am talking about the global population, 1/3 of the population is suffering from latent TB. Means if their immune system weakens, in that case, they will be affected by this, or better to say, they will be infected by this disease TB. That is known as latent TB. Okay. Anyway, so this was all about today's video, and aim of this video was not to discuss TB in detail, the disease in detail, but to just to raise awareness about this global threat, TB. Okay, so this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.